I'm going to make a utilitarian macrame piece, not for show, but something to get the job done. Usually I use these beautiful hooks to hang dowels to work on my macrame projects, but I want to use this odd-sized piece of driftwood for a project, and it's just a little too big for the hooks. I could try it the other way, but the metal rod is too big. What to do? Do I have to buy bigger hooks? I think I can jury rig a hook substitute that will accommodate any size. I'm going to make a simple square knot sennit. The measurements are ultimately up to you to fit your needs. I'll be making a sennit comprised of 20 square knots. Attach 2 cords to the dowel with lark's head knots. I'm using 3mm cord, about 80 inches long. Make sure the outer working cords are longer than the inner cords so you don't run out. My inner cords are roughly 18 inches long. Again, none of this is exact. So both center cords are shorter, outer working cords are longer. All right, I'm starting my 20 square knot sennit. Just double checking the amount of knots. I'm going to remove the sennit from the dowel. I'll just slide it right off. Unfurl those loops and you'll have a couple of rabbit ears at the top of the sennit. At the bottom, I'm tying the 2 center cords using a simple double knot to keep the sennit secure. And there you have it. Leave the outer 2 cords long for now. I've made both of them. I'm using the driftwood to see about how long I want the sennit loops to hang down. Pull the long cords through the rabbit ears, one on each side. A firm bow tie works just fine to hold the driftwood, and it will allow me to reuse these for other projects. Subjectively attractive, objectively useful. I'm bringing the driftwood in again to make sure everything's about even. You can snip off any extra you'd like. For these cords, I'd recommend knotting the ends to keep them from fraying. And there you have it. Rabbit ears macrame hangers. If you enjoyed this and are looking forward to more content, I would love it if you would like and subscribe. Thanks and see you next time.